Some might ask, can you really do paint correction in just 30 minutes? Well, it's not about full correction here. It's about enhancing the finish. Perfect for customers with normal, daily drivers not looking for a full correction job. They simply want their vehicle to look clean and shiny without worrying about every single scratch. If you have a second person to help, you could even finish the express enhancement in about 15 minutes. Efficiency is key here. You'll want to set up pads and towels strategically around the vehicle to minimize steps and focus on treating the vehicle with one tool and pad combination. The specific type of pad you'll choose will be determined by the defect level. Don't try aiming for perfection. Use fast arm speed and perform the application on the entire vehicle before wiping away residue. Again, this is more about quick application than it is meticulous correction. After each section, instead of cleaning the pads with compressed air, simply swap them out for fresh ones to keep the momentum going, and in your case, to make this as profitable as possible. Use 2 towels to remove the residues, one to break up the surface, and the second to wipe away any streaks. This 30-minute enhancement is perfect for customers looking for a quick refresh without breaking the bank. It's a service that can be easily added to your existing packages and provides a great opportunity for repeat business every few months. So whether you're building out a new express detail package or refining an existing one, this approach can be a valuable addition to your business offerings.